that points P, Q, and R are lying on a straight line. That means they are collinear points. Collinear points are having one concept, that they are on a straight line. So if we pair them in two, like P and Q, PQ and PR, and apply the formula of slope, so the answer would be same. Look here. The points P, Q, and R lie on a straight line. That means these points are collinear. Okay? Because they are collinear points, we are taking the help of the concept of the same gradient or same answer of the gradient because it is a single line. So we can find the value of A. So what I have written here, slope of PR, yani slope का formula when applied to the points P and R, and the same slopes formula when applied to P and Q, the 2 points. We will find they are equal because they are collinear. Okay, we applied the formula on both sides. Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, R and P. So this is x2, y2, x1 and y1 for what? For PR. So y2 minus y1 में हमने किया a minus 4, x2 minus x1 में हमने किया minus 5 minus 2. फाइन. अब जब इन दो की बात की जाएगी P and Q, so once again 8 is y2 and 4 is x2. So y2 minus y1 on the right hand side, 8 minus 4, and x2 minus x1 would be 4 minus 2. ठीक है, हमने values को put कर दिया. Now a minus 4 we cannot solve because there is a variable. Denominator में है minus 5 minus 2, so we got minus 7. ठीक है जी. जब हमने सॉल्व किया तो हमें पता चला कि a minus 4 upon minus 7 equals to positive 2. We shifted negative 7 to the right hand side for multiplication, and then we came at a minus 4 equals to minus 14. Minus 4 is to be shifted over there, so it becomes positive 4, and the answer is a equals to negative 10. I hope those who could not solve it have now understood it. If you people are having any of the question related to this particular question, do let me ask by turning on your speakers. Otherwise, I'll move to the next question that is to be solved by you people in the allocated time. Okay, let's move to the next question. Very much easy. Question number 4 asks you to form the equation of a line joining these 2 points x, which is 4, 5, and y, whose coordinates are minus 2, 7. Ask you people to solve it. Start solving it right now, please. And I'm giving you 5 minutes for this. Please do not share your answers until you people are asked by me to do so. Solve this question. Acha, everyone, please try. Please. 4 minutes remaining. Aliu said, "Don't worry, Peter. I am going to explain. You people are left with 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to explain." देखो, you are the one जिसने कुछ कहा. We are having around 18 to 20 students who do not say anything. No issue, Minahil, and everyone else who keeps not getting it. अच्छा, इससे पहले वाला क्वेश्चन तो समझ आया ना, जो I have already explained to you people. If yes, then to wait till the time limit ends, and then I'm going to explain the question. Okay, you're left with 1 minute. Let's. Okay, everyone, let me know the answers quickly, please. Those who have done, please share your answers. Those who have done, please share your answers. Omar, I've got your answer. Anyone else? Shakib received your answer, but try not to use decimal points. Munch, you too. I have received your answer, but do not try to use the decimals in forming the equations. Iraj received your answer. Sue received your answer. A nice try. Karthik, Amara, I have received your answers as well. Yeah, Karthik correction mates. Very good. Sanaullah, Neha, Damini, Walid. Yeah, देखो. Now, mashallah, you people are participating. I want this participation, please. Thank you, Nurahira. Sneha, received your answer, but there's some lacking. Salim Bhai, one thing is missing in your answer. I received the answer. Yes, Bhaktavar, I have received your answer. Yes, Salim, it is Shabash. Who else? Or should I move? Amarlal. Impressive. Shabash. Chalo. Now, we are moving towards a solution. Let's see. The students who do not get this, please have and seek to understand. ठीक है. Beta, we are given with two of the points, x and y. These 2 points are on a straight line. And we people are asked to form the equation of that straight line. Because this is the question related to the equation of the straight line, we'll have to follow some steps. As I told you, मैं इसको detail में इसलिए समझा रहा हूँ क्योंकि some of the students asked me to do so. Okay. Whenever we are given with a question that asks you to form the equation, we have to follow the steps. The step number 1 asks us to find the slope of the line. And we know that the formula of finding the slope is ym equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, this is the very first step. Step number 2 asks us to find the y-intercept. Step number 2 asks us to find the y-intercept. And y-intercept is actually the representation of y-intercept is with the help of a small letter c, y equals to mx plus c. So c equals to y minus mx, where m is the slope, y and x are the coordinates of any one point. Step number 3, I'm writing it here. Step number 3 doesn't ask us to find something, but it asks us to put the values of m and c in this equation, y equals to mx plus c. Is it okay? Now, these 3 steps are clearly defined in the next slide. Look, step number 1, find the slope. The 2 of the points are 4, 5, apologies, and 2 minus 2, 7. Let's put the values. This is y2, this is x2, this is y1, and this is x1. So the formula requires us to write y2 minus y1 in the numerator side. So 7 minus 5 numerator upon x2 minus x1. x2 is minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. ठीक हो गई जी बात. After solving this, 7 minus 5 is 2. Minus 2 minus 4 results minus 6. As we cancel them out, both are divisible by the 2. So the slope appears to be minus 1 upon 3. This was the very first step. Okay, step number 2 asks us to find the y-intercept, and y-intercept is given by the formula c equals to y minus mx, where we must put any of the points coordinates. So I have used coordinates of point x, where x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 5. So look, in the place of y I have written 5 minus, as it is, m is replaced by what your answer was, minus 1 upon 3, and 4 is replaced in the place of x. Minus minus comes plus. 4 1 times 4, 4 upon 3. 5 plus 4 upon 3. Now we are taking the LCM. Okay. Upon 3. So we multiply by 3 करना पड़ेगा. So 3 5 times is 15. 15 plus 4 whole upon 3 becomes 19 upon 3. So we have so far accomplished our 2 steps. Now let's see. This is the value of m. This is the value of c. Now keep your eyes on the red ink. So the required equation is y equals to mx plus c. What we have to do? We are now move to step number 3, and step number 3 requires us to put the values of m and c that are found in the first 2 steps. So the value of m was minus 1 upon 3, and the value of c was 19 upon 3. Now, because 3 is common, the denominator is same, I turned it into a whole upon. This could be the answer of the equation, or it could also be written if 3 is sent over there. If 3 is sent over there, it multiply by y, so it will be 3y minus kx को भी वहाँ पे shift कर दिया plus x equals to 19. So for right now, both of the answers are correct, but we are focusing on this one. ठीक है? Y equals to minus x. अच्छा, writing 1 with x is not necessary. Now, how many of you understood this question? We're having one last question that I think could not be explained. So I'm not explaining that question. I will not explain this question. I just want you people to solve this question. Acha, related to this question, if any of the student having any of this little query about this, please let me know. Aliuza, Minahil, and other students who were just sitting, who asked me that they could not understand. Now, is it okay? Let me know in your comments. How many of acha chalo theek hai. Tell me in the comments how many of you understood it. Sanaullah, sure. Second step. Sanaullah's second step was to find the y-intercept. ठीक है? This is the formula. You can C equals to y minus mx. We have to put the values of y, m, and x. M is the slope, यानी m की जगह what we'll have to write? The answer of step number 1. What about y and x? We can use either of the points. I have used 4, 5 because they both are positive. There isn't any of the signs negative. That's why. So it's not of the issue, it's none of the issue that we use any of the points. Answer would be the same. Because the points are always written in the form x comma y and we are having 4 comma 5. So y is 5 is to be placed instead of y. Minus 1 upon 3 is placed instead of m. And 4 is placed instead of x. Yeah, okay? Now then we have just solved it. Look beta. Minus minus ho gaya plus because it is 4 upon 1. Because it is actually 4 upon 1. So whenever two fractions are multiplied, denominator से multiply होता है और numerator से multiply होता है. तो जब 4 1 से multiply हुआ तो आंसर आया 4 और नीचे वाला 3 1 से multiply हुआ तो आंसर आया 3. So it becomes 4.3. Now, what if we take the LCM? Look here. C equals to, I'm solving after this, 5 plus 4.3. Right now, there is a 1 in the denominator of 5. We are taking the LCM means we have to make this as 3. अब भाई जब 3 नीचे डिवाइड किया तो ऊपर भी डिवाइड सॉरी मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ऊपर भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So it becomes 3 5 times 15 plus 4 whole upon 3. That is ultimately 19 upon 3. This is what we did. This was step number 2. So now is it okay? Got it. So thank you.